Hello and welcome to Idea Popcorn Street. Well, it's that time of the year when India comes alive on the beats of Dhol, Dandiya and Garba. So this Navratri on our Idea Popcorn Street special, we bring to you the directors who have used this exciting festival as the backdrop of some of their biggest chart busters.
Festivities have often been a part of Bollywood, and Navratri is one such festival that gives our directors ample scope for solid Naach Gana on a grand scale. So, in our Idea Popcorn Street special, we bring you the top few. From Salman and Aishwarya's foot tapping, Dholi Taro Dhol Baje in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam to Deepika Padukone's literally rocking the dance floor in Nagada from Goliyo Ki Ras Leela Ram Leela. Cross Sanjay Leela Bhansali to bring the beats of Navratri alive on the big screen. The ace director, who is highly influenced by his own Gujarati roots, often has a strong Gujju connect in many of his films. Sanjay Leela Bhansali is a pro in creating the rich Gujarati culture on screen, especially in songs. Be it Aishwarya or Deepika, Bhansali ensures he extracts the best look and choreography in his films. Abhishek Kapoor's film Kai Puche, that was based in Ahmedabad, has a rich groovy song Hey Shubharam, sung by Amit Trivedi and Shruti Pathak, that adds quite a punch to Garba functions with its rhythmatic dhol and shehnai pieces. With authentic Gujarati lyrics, one can smell the soil of Gujarat, and this track is one of the hottest new additions to the list of latest Dandiya numbers. Ashutosh Gowarikar's critically acclaimed film Lagan also added the Garba flavor in his movie with Aamir Khan and Gracie Singh. Dancing to the tunes of Radha Kaise Na Jale with the most authentic Krishna Ras Leela undertone to it. Sung by Udit Narayan, Asha Bhosle and composed by A.R. Rahman, this song is just what you need to sway to the Garba beats while worshipping Lord Krishna, all at the same. With its wacky lyrics and Himesh Reshammiya's damdar voice, Jai Ho, peppy track Taro Photo Nathi is clearly the hot new must-have this Garba season. The track has a super fun tune with a foot-tapping melody that will instantly pull you on the dance floor. And when you have Sallu Bhai doing the Garba, then it just adds a lot of masti that cannot be missed.
So how did you find this story? Comment below and let us know.